5 ChatGPT prompts to help you get more leads and boost your sales. I highly recommend take a screenshot so that you could just copy paste these into ChatGPT and start using them in your business today. And all of these ChatGPT prompts will work together so that you can make one custom GPT and ChatGPT Plus plan to make the perfect AI agent that knows everything about your business that you can use to write your marketing copy for your website, your ads, and you could use this going forward. So save these prompts together in one chat. First, we need to define your ideal customer profile and the core problem that your product or service solves. ChatGPT, help me figure out who my perfect customer is and the main problem I can help them solve. I want you to create a detailed profile that includes name, age, job, demographic, goal, the problems that they deal with, things that they struggle with, what do they want most is like their goals, what they're scared of, and what frustrates them. I work in and then add your field or industry that you work in, like your business. And based on this, describe someone who would benefit the most from my product or service. Also, explain the main problem that they want fixed and why it's such a big deal for them. This one is perfect because it's going to craft all of your messaging in your ads, in your social media content, on your website, so that your customer feels like you truly understand them and you have the perfect solution to help them improve their health, wealth, or relationships using your product or service. Number 2, we need to create a lead magnet and an irresistible offer. This is going to help you build your email list so that you can continue to add value over the next 30 to 90 days so that when they're ready to buy, you're right there front and center. ChatGPT, based on the customer profile, help me come up with a freebie, a lead magnet, to grab their attention. This could be a PDF guide, a webinar, a checklist, or like a mini course. Make sure that it speaks to their main problem and gives them a quick solution. You want to give your clients like a quick win using a tip, a guide, a mini course, or a masterclass. Then create an irresistible offer to go with the lead magnet that includes a catchy title, 3 bullet points shows why it's valuable, and a clear call to action to get them to sign up for the lead magnet. For example, I want this freebie to help them achieve whatever specific result that you got from the first prompt that matches their specific need. You want to be very specific on solving a hyper-specific problem. Number 3, design a core product and its irresistible offer. This is what you're going to pitch as the first product to sell to your ideal customer that signed up with your lead magnet. ChatGPT, help me come up with the main product to sell to my ideal customer. This could be a 3-month coaching program or an online course or a specific service. It should fix the main problem and help them reach their goal. Include the following. What is the product, like lessons, sessions, or features, for example? How it helps them and what they'll gain. Next, write an offer for the product that's impossible for them to say no to. That includes a great product name, 3 to 5 bullet points explaining what they'll get. If you have social proof, you'll add it there, and a clear call to action for how they can get this amazing product or service that you sell. Make it so good that they feel like they missed out if they didn't buy it. Number 4, and such a cheat code, develop a continuity program. This is going to help you build monthly recurring revenue that you can sell after your core product, which increases the lifetime value of the customer. So ChatGPT, help me create a follow-up product for customers who buy the main product. This should be a low-cost monthly subscription, anywhere from $49 to $299 a month, that keeps delivering value. It could include like a private community. If it's a service that they buy every 1 or 2 months, for example, like nail salons or like haircuts, for example, you could even do a one-time large package for multiple sales at a discount rate. It could also be extra courses, tools, templates, ongoing support, accountability. Show how the subscription or package deal will either help them save a bunch of money or help them get results or even make more progress after using your core main product. Write a simple but strong offer that explains why it's worth it to stay in it. This is important because you don't just want to sell one core product. You want to have multiple products and upsells and tiers so that you can continue to deliver value over time, increases the lifetime value of the customer, which then you could spend more than your competitors in paid ads to get more customers in the top of the funnel. Number 5 is going to help you get traffic. 2 forms of traffic. One is organic traffic. One is paid traffic. The paid traffic, you'll run it with just the lead magnet, but organic traffic, that's where the number 5 comes in. Create awareness content for Instagram Reels or YouTube videos. Hey, ChatGPT, help me come up with ideas for short, attention-grabbing content that attracts my ideal customer on Instagram Reels or YouTube. I need 5 video topics that connect to their struggles or their goals, hooks to grab their attention within the first 3 seconds, and a clear action step to get them to download my freebie or check out my product. This is important because the algorithm is going to check for two things. One, did your content stop them from scrolling, which is the first 3 seconds? And then two, retention. Did they stay for the entire video to the very end? The video should be fun, useful, and make me look like an expert. The trust is going to happen when you show up consistently and you provide a ton of value to help them solve their problem. And most importantly, you end every video with a call to action to get your free guide or your free lead magnet. Now, the most important part, you're going to take all that text that ChatGPT just helped you answer all those questions, and we're going to create a custom GPT that's going to become your marketing expert. So when you're on the ChatGPT Plus plan, on the left-hand side, go to Explore GPTs, click on Create in the upper right-hand corner, click on Configure, and paste all of those answers right here in the instruction section. Then you want to add this prompt. You are a marketing expert for my business. Below are the details about my business, customers, and products. Use this info to help me craft my marketing strategy, website copy. Copy is the text that's on the website or like ads, for example, campaigns, and irresistible offers. And then paste your text right below here. And now you have a custom GPT that's completely trained on your business that you can chat with in very short prompts and knows everything about your business. And it's going to help improve your marketing strategy, the products for your ad campaigns, your lead magnet. You can use this ChatGPT like a marketing consultant for your business. If you want more ChatGPT prompts, click the link below to get my 1400 best AI marketing prompts. This is a whole PDF that's like 76 pages long. It's like insane how many prompts are in this thing. To give you an idea, if you scroll down, look at the table of contents for like all the prompts that you get in all these categories. It just keeps going and going and going. There's 76 pages of ChatGPT prompts. So this is going to help you get started to improve your marketing so that you could get more leads and increase your sales. I'm Jonathan Acuna. I hope you learned something. Click the link below to get the free guide, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.